Welcome back. 7 women achievers have been awarded ORCID Awards at Verna. The ORCID group of companies has honored these women for their valuable contribution to various fields.
7 young women achievers were awarded for their contribution in categories like politics, art, social, business, education and sports. These are the winners of ORCID Awards 2011. Radhika Naik, Principal of Dempo College in the field of education, Babita Agarwal, founders of Muskan in social field, Dr. Sharmila Sardesai, social field, Pratima Kutino, GPYC President, field of politics, Shobha Tarkar, caterer, field of business, Bhakti Kulkarni, chess player, field of sports, and Harshada Kerkar in the field of art. Some of the winners shared their experiences.
We are doing our best to create cancer awareness in Goa, but there is one message that we would like you to spread around, and that is, please don't be afraid of cancer. Get yourselves detected early because early detection can save lives.
30 आजार आहे पण आमचे भाषेन लोकांनी येऊन क्लीन करपाक जाय, तासपाक जाय. आणि म्हाका दिसता म्हजी ही 2-time victory I have already proved and I have to go a long way because I am here not to make career in politics. म्हाका काही CM आणि PM जावपाचो ना. म्हाका कितें जाय आशिल्लें, I wanted to reach out to people. I wanted to touch their hearts and I can tell you, yes, with this position one thing I can do. टेबल धाडपाक जाता म्हाका आनी म्हणून जाता. म्हजे कडेन पावर आसा, म्हाका फोर्स आसा. म्हाजें हें काम जावपाक जाय आनी जावपाक लागलां.
So whether it has been my teaching profession, whether it has been my stint in local government, whether it has been in any other area that I have worked, the men have contributed definitely to my success.
Asha and Amol, the founders of the ORCID group of companies and other like-minded people were present for the function. Our reporter from Verna, Surendra Madkaikar.
Ponda Bar and Restaurant Owners Association has submitted a memorandum to Ponda Excise Inspector. They have demanded more time to submit the stock details. Excise Department had issued a circular demanding details of the stock by the 21st of November.
Ponda Bar and Restaurant Owners Association on Monday submitted a memorandum to Excise Inspector at Ponda. Excise Department on 10th November had issued circular to various bar and restaurant owners asking them to give details of stock from January 2011 till October. Owners complained that they received the notice as late as on 18th November. They have demanded some more time to give details of the stock.
January 1st to till date stock दिवचो म्हणून कितलो purchase केला, कितलो सेल केला, closing stock day wise. But कितें जालां circular आमकां लेट पावलो, अद्याक 10 तारखेर काडला तो लेट पावलो म्हणजे 18 तारखेर पावला, 19 तारखेर पावला. So time limit तो दिवपाक 21st दिले तेणे, 21st to दिवपाक it was not possible in short time. म्हणटरी आमी कितें मारलें, आमकां आनी मातशें time दिवचो म्हणून कितें तो सबमिट करपाक.
Fernandez also informed us that they will decide further course of action after a meeting with all Goa Bar and Restaurant Owners Association.
थोड्यांनी दिला तांकां, कोणाक पयलीं पावलो तेणे दिला आनी कोणाक फाटल्यान पावलो त्यात दितले. तेणे सांगलां if you don't give it is ऑफेन्स म्हणून स्टॉक दिना जाल्यार कित्याक it is as per excise rule ते आहा म्हणून every 7th of every month you have to give the stock म्हणून. So as per that we have to follow. आनी ते आमी तेजी फुडली कितें विचार करपा आहा ते आमी दुसऱ्या एसोसिएशना मेळोन फूल गोवा हेजे ते आमी मागीर करतले.
Our reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
The National Junior Championship of Atyapatya will be held in Nashik, Panchavati from the 25th to the 27th of November. Goan boys team under Ursha Braikar and girls team under Diksha Fardesai will be participating in the championship. Secretary of Goa Atyapatya Krishna Karade has high hopes from the players.
Goan boys and girls teams are gearing up for the National Juniors Atyapatya Championship to be held at Nasik in Maharashtra. The teams have been participating in the tournament for last 7 years. Urusha Braikar will lead the boys junior while Diksha Fardesai will head girls junior team. Secretary Krishna Karade is optimistic about the performance of his teams.
सतत लास्ट 7-8 वर्ष आम्ही भाग घेता आसा संघाचे ह्याच्यात आणि 2006 पासून आमकां हेची संलग्नता मिळालेली आसा आणि ह्या वर्सा जी आमसभा जाली एसीजीची त्या सभेत कायमस्वरूपी मान्यता दिवपाचो असो ठराव घेतलेलो आसा आणि गोवा आट्यापाट्याचो जे संघ आसा ते बऱ्यापैकी कामगिरी करता आसात. लास्ट इयरला कल्याण मुंबई ह्या ठिकाणी जी झालेली जी स्पर्धा आशिल्ली सिनियर ह्या ठिकाणी आमकां थोडक्यात आमची 3rd प्लेस गेली. तेचे आमकां जरा दुख्ख जाता आणि आमी ह्या हेच्यात बऱ्यापैकी प्रॅक्टीस केल्ली आसा आणि ज्युनियर संघ ह्या स्पर्धेत चांगल्या प्रकारे कामगिरी करतलो अशी आमकां आशा आसा.
A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
And with this, we come to the end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Take care and goodbye.